Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off the liquid glass option on your iPhone iOS 26. So as you know, iPhone has introduced their latest iOS 26 to iPhone devices. So if you check the feature, then there is a feature of a liquid glass. So if you want to use it, then well and good. But if you do not want to use it on your iPhone iOS 26, then you can simply disable it. But there is no option available still that you can simply disable. But there are settings that can allow you to turn off the liquid glass option. So if you want to do that, then you have to simply watch this video completely. For this, you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to simply go to accessibility. So in accessibility, you have to make sure that you have turned on the reduced motion. So if you turn this off, then your liquid glass feature will also be not visible. So you have to make sure about that. So if you want to disable it, then you have to simply disable that option, and your liquid glass option, your liquid glass option will also be disabled. So you have to check for that. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.